and this is just my opinion, I don't know if there's science to back it up, but you want to stay a little bit lower on the MERV scale unless you've got some sort of allergies.
So explain the MERV scale to me. What
Honestly,
is that?
All I believe that it corresponds to the thickness and the type of material. What
Okay.
It is.
So on this unit that we have, we should be under 12.
I feel like yes. I feel like that's a little high.
So this is probably not the filter that I want to use.
No, I feel like it's just probably putting a little bit
Too much stress?
strain on the blower wheel to pull through that air through.
Now the other one that is over here, check that one out because it looks like it's more fitting for this because it's a little bit
Listen,
not as compact.
it does not have a MERV label on it, so I don't know what it is.
But this one, it does it?
This is 13, so this is even worse.
Oh, that's worse. Shit.
It's fine.
So what should I look for this?
I would go 8, maybe 10, but probably
8 MERV. Okay.
I feel like you probably get away with 10, but you know some people don't have any choice, right? Like they got
That one's the bad one we took out, right?
they got
Let's throw that one in garbage.
they got issues, you know,
All right.
their allergies or
So this thing, so you can see that this one's more tightly coiled,
yeah.
and then the other one was more open.
Yeah, that's why sometimes it's hard to gauge because by eye it looks like the other one should be better, but in fact it's worse.
Like this one, yeah, this one here.
Yeah.
This is a 13.
Yeah, it looks like it was gonna be less.
All right, we're gonna have to go to Walmart and look at them
Yeah.
and see what we're gonna get.